is another great solution for titanium fail, also zirconia cracking, using the chrome cover, which is Syton 7 star fabricated. Now, it's one case, patient wear this 3-4 years, and they do have a cracking problem. And then this is the previous one. It said this is subgingival. This is another issue. This is no crack. Anyway, we decreased the width. This is really thick. And then we extended another smaller here. Because at the times they do have a problem is about the size of the tooth. That's what probably they reduced the another molar. Anyway, this is our foundation chrome cover. It's really thin. So gingival here, which is the final frame design. Just finished that one. Okay, so first, I'm trying to get the contour of our facial. Just slightly fat this area. I'm trying to decrease a little bit, and then we can get the more smooth transition from the pink. And the gingival 1/3. Bring it in a little bit. Ambly. That one is great. Contour. Same as the other side. Always put the water, get moisture. Right? Then I know whenever I cut it the gingival 1/3, then I can see the entire facial contour. So I can control a little bit more and better. So it looks like the teeth, it's not like the fat. Okay, same as lateral. Check the all alignment together. Okay, just like this, same size, the other side. 1/3. Here's the same thing. But after that, I can make some smooth for surface. So always remember, whenever I'm using the contour, so that I can recreate it, the design of the facial contour for emergence profile. Right, so this one, just a little bit. Make the pointy. Here. So we have a tons of room for facial. See? 2mm, there's no problem. I can trim it. Once I trim it, I can a little bit more divide it, the tools, and then make the better width. Right here. Of course, you can do design, what I do here. To remember the facial contour from engage with the pink color. If it's tissue, one color, the same as here. It's another great solution for titanium failure, also zirconia cracking, using the chrome cover, which is Syton 7 star. We fabricated here, which is a frame. It's opaque, the color block with the mono, and that one is recommendations. It's going to never break in between those, in between here. Never happening. There's another solutions here. Now this is final from the all our hard work, which is this is conversion denture, which is a broke, same thing, and that was tie base was cracking in between the teeth. It's completely solved, 3-part. I'm talking about over the 2 years. This is tie base failing, the deep subgingiva. Now it's an internal remake, and one of my employee, he quit without any notice. So our assistants, we have so many great technicians, good people here, and then they made a mistake, which is very simple things, and then it's very frustrating. Anyway, so this is our internal issue. This is the external issue. However, finished the beautiful restorations finally. We saw our design. But this times I skipped with scan and design parts. You saw so many my video previous one, so I don't feel like I have to show them. But this is the more importance we build up. We made this more lifelike restorations, which is never going to problem. Is another lucky patients here. Alright, it's very thin. Here is the frame design, working by chrome cover. All the time I mentioned with the articulations, this is lower. This is the big problem created, grinding, cracking, everything. Here is the fake restorations all over the place. That's the cause for the cracking and high base failure, everything most likely this case is over the 2 years. Anyway, so now it's ready to cementing. Because now it's cemented, it's beautifully done. 6 unit or 3 unit, and then we final restorations for this. It's beautifully done, so we will not have any problem for this high base baling for 서브징지바 and cracking. So this one is from the frame and the finals. So glad we finished this beautiful restorations. Now deliver these patients. Now this is, I hope this one is for 20-30 years dedicated handling of occlusion contact. Guys, please wear this. Thanks for watching.